Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelique, and this video is about the box by Fashionista. So their handle is at shopfashionista, but this is super cool because it is a subscription box that you can order yourself if you want to, and it's better than like Ipsy because Ipsy only sends you like samples, and the box sends you 5 to 7 full-size products. This month's box is super exciting because it's 7 products from 7 different countries, and their whole theme is about unity. So I'm just going to go right on ahead and jump into the box and show you guys what's in it. The first thing we have is the 54 Thrones Ugandan Vanilla and Ethiopian Honey Beauty Butter, and it retails for $24, and this is from Africa. This is what the actual bottle looks like, and the description for this says that fusing the depth of West Africa with the allure of East Africa, this majestic blend of Ugandan and Ghanaian shea butter sets the foundation for a luxurious and creamy and silky smooth African body butter. It can be used on your face or on your hands. Next, we have the Zoeva Cosmetics Offline eyeshadow palette, and this is from Germany. I'm actually going to create a little tutorial with this palette today. So this has 10 highly pigmented matte and shimmer shadows, and I really love these colors right here, so it's probably what I'm going to use, especially these 3 right here. Next we have the Nourish Mantra Radrani Moroccan Lava Clay Cleanser, and this retails for $18. Oh, the eyeshadow palette retails for $28. And so anyways, this clay cleanser is from India. It absorbs excess oils and removes pollution particles, deep-seated impurities, and dead skin cells, giving you clean, fresh, flawless skin. It is vegan and cruelty-free, paraben and sulfate-free. Next is the Terre de Mars Irreverence Nourishing Shampoo. This retails for $22, and it is from France. It regenerates, moisturizes, and repairs. It's an organic, nutrient-rich shampoo from France and is formulated with coffee extract, rosemary leaves, aloe vera, and almond protein, leaving your hair silky and soft. It cleans, refreshes, and allows hair to regain its radiance and suppleness. And it's supposed to be good for all hair types, and it's vegan and cruelty-free. Next, we have the We Makeup, and this is a lipstick and a lip pencil, and this is from Italy, and it retails for $27.50. So it's a highly pigmented and long-lasting lip pencil and lipstick for effortless makeup looks from Italy, enriched with coconut oil, vitamin E, gamma oryzanol, and cervical silica for endless comfortable wearing. It's vegan and cruelty-free. I'm really bad at pronouncing some of these names. So the lip pencil is in shade 44 Milo's Mulberry. Ooh, that's nice and creamy, and it's very pigmented. The lipstick is in shade 20 Selena Rose is what it's called. Oh, the lipstick's so cool because it's got like, I don't know if you can see it, but it embossed all over it is the letters we, words we. This smells so good. I'm gonna swatch it a little here. Oh, that's nice. And it's so creamy and smooth. Okay, I might use this today as well. Really love this pink shade. I don't think I'll use the red lip liner just because I don't think red's going to go with the look that I'm going to do today. Last but not least, we have the MCo Beauty 4-in-1 Ultra Curl Gloss Mascara, and this retails for $22. It's supposed to separate, lift, and enhances lashes from root to tip with a high gloss finish, with a special one that grips even the shortest lashes with an advanced lash lifting formula. Cruelty-free and PETA certified. Okay, well, we all know that I have like the crappiest lashes in the world, so I'll try this as well. I think it's super cool that they created a box that has 7 products from 7 different countries. I mean, that is awesome. Like, I feel like that's like such a cool way to like use their platform or use their business and what they have at their disposal to create unity within the world, which is something that we desperately need right now. So I'm going to go ahead and dive into the eyeshadow palette, and I want to do something that is not super hard, that's a little bit more achievable for you guys, to be able to use this with. Something you could use like every day. So I think I'm going to mainly focus on these two shades right here. I think they're super, super beautiful. And I think I'm going to start off with this shade, which is called No Connection. And I'm literally just going to take that on my finger. You don't even have to have a brush. And I'm just going to tap it around on my lid. And look at that. Like, that is such a nice, beautiful. Now, I did prime my eyelids before I put this on. So just a little bit of primer or concealer. And then you just lay this right down and it just sticks right to it. And it's got like a nice, pretty, shimmery look to it. Now, I'm only doing half of my lid, but I think that's so pretty. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And how I like to do this is this finger for this side because it lets you get in there easier. And this finger for this side. Don't try to do this because it's like too hard to get it exactly even. But this is like super, this makes it just super easy. So again, I'm telling you, this is really pigmented. Next, I'm going in with this purple shimmer shade called Unavailable. And I'm literally doing the same thing. I'm using my finger, tapping it on. Look how beautiful. That is so pretty. I hope you guys can see it. It's just going to be like a beautiful, like bluish, blending into like a purplish. It's like a bluish green. This is so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. And like I said, I'm literally just stamping this on with my finger. You don't even need a brush. That's how easy this is. That's how easy it's blending. Sometimes you have to go in with a brush to like blend them better. But I'm not even having that issue with this. And it's like blending beautifully. Look how good those two colors are just like blending in together right now. And if you feel like you have a little bit of a hard time with it, just put one color on each finger and go back and forth and tap it right in the center where the two colors meet. And easy peasy, it blends right out. These shades are so nice and this palette is so nice. So now we have like a nice shimmery, beautiful eye, and it literally took us like 2 minutes, like not even that. So beautiful. I mean, I'm obsessed with this so far. I love how it's laying down. I just love everything about it. For the bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with this contact shade, and I'm just going to brush that right under there. I want this also to be a look that I don't have to wear lashes with, because I know that like in everyday life, I don't like to wear lashes when I go out. Like they're just too annoying sometimes. Sometimes I wear them, sometimes I don't, but I wanted to do looks because I know that the majority of you all don't wear lashes out in your everyday life. So I want to create a look here that you guys can wear every day that's not like super hard to achieve. Just to give this a little bit more depth, I'm going to go in with this burgundy shade, and I'm going to place that right up under the lash line as well, but closer to the lash line. See, it just gives it like a little extra pop of like color. I'm going to go in with this shade called 404. I'm going to place that on the inner corner to give us a little pop. Highlight that there. I'm actually going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm not going to put very much of that cranberry shade on. It's called Pasithia, and I'm just going to like very lightly tap that over the edges here and buff that out just to give myself a little bit of color up a little bit higher. You don't have to do this part if you don't want. I thought it looked fine by itself, but I kind of have like a lot of lid space here. So I'm just going to like buff that around there to give me like a little bit more color up a little bit higher. Not even very much. This is very pigmented, but is blending out seamlessly, so I don't need much. And then I'm just going to go back in with my finger and touch up that purple because I did just brush some of it away. I'm going to go ahead and use that Ultra Curl mascara by MCo Beauty. I like this brush. It's not like a huge brush, which I am thankful for. So I don't have the best lashes, so I'm not like the best at reviewing mascaras. But I really love this brush. I feel like it really is getting every single lash on there. I've only done the upper ones, but I don't know if you can tell a difference. But it really does get them all. Like, I love the brush. Okay, so that's with one coat. I'm going to go ahead and do this other eye. Go ahead and do the bottom lashes. I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat on the top lashes. Does a really good job of separating the lashes and getting literally every single one of them. So I'm going to go ahead and use this lipstick by MCo Beauty in the shade 20. I'm going to start off by using a lip brush just so that I can use it to line my lips. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill it in with the lipstick. This shade is really pretty, and it's also very smooth, creamy, buttery. It feels really good on my lips. Like, it feels like it's really conditioning them. I don't know if it is, but it feels like it is. So I feel like this look turned out really good, and it's like a nice wearable look that you could wear every day. I know it is colorful, but I mean, it's not like neons and like super out there, and it's like still sort of subdued. It's like mermaidy vibes a little bit. I don't know. I love it. I think it's beautiful. If you guys want to subscribe to this box, I'll put a link down in the description box. I don't know if I said this in the beginning of the video, but they did send me this box for free. I did not subscribe to it. I did not purchase it. They sent it to me for me to try out their products, and they did not ask me to do a video. I decided to do a video myself once I saw the products, and I saw that the box was a Unity box with 7 different products from 7 different countries, and I just thought that was such an amazing concept and idea. And so I felt really inspired to film this video and share it with you guys. I don't know about you all, but I love subscription boxes, and just the whole idea that they even came up with this one. Obsessed. I love it. If you guys love subscription boxes, I would highly recommend this one. But yeah, that's it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!